how to set up a savings plan for post-divorce expenses. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the smartest financial moves you can make after divorce is setting up a dedicated savings plan. Whether you're adjusting to a single income, covering new household expenses, or rebuilding your financial foundation, having savings in place gives you stability, peace of mind, and flexibility for whatever comes next. Start by evaluating your new monthly budget. Look at your income, your fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and any support payments you're receiving or paying. Once your essentials are covered, identify how much you can realistically set aside each month. Even a small amount like $50 or $100 adds up over time. Next, open a separate savings account exclusively for post-divorce expenses. This account should be separate from your regular checking to reduce the temptation to dip into it. You can label it something simple like emergency fund or transition savings to remind you of its purpose. Set up automatic transfers so saving becomes consistent and effortless. Prioritize building a basic emergency fund enough to cover at least 1 to 3 months of expenses. This will help you handle unexpected costs like car repairs, medical bills, or a temporary drop in income. Once that's in place, you can start saving for bigger goals, whether it's a future move, new furniture, or a family vacation to mark your fresh start. We recently worked with a client who was feeling overwhelmed by the cost of setting up a new home after her divorce. She started by saving just $75 per week. Within 6 months, she had over $1,800 in savings, enough to cover movers, furniture, and a few personal touches that helped her feel settled and secure. At Divorce 661, we help clients look beyond the paperwork and plan for real-life success after divorce. That includes budgeting, saving, and making financial choices that support your independence and long-term goals. If you're navigating life after divorce and want help setting up a realistic savings plan, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you organize your finances, plan for the future, and build a foundation you can count on.